Hey guys, this is my stunt bike Pulsar 220 and I am trying to start it. But every time I try to start, I hear a noise which irritates me a lot. So I decided to diagnose my bike, and after a thorough inspection, we found that the noise was caused by the starting motor that was defective and needed a replacement. I purchased a brand new starter motor that cost me around 1879 rupees, and I was waiting patiently to finish the installation process. Finally, after the installation process, I was curious enough to check whether the problem was fixed. So finally, the starting noise is gone and I can peacefully practice stunts on my machine.